Stronger legs in 30 days. One move, 10 minutes a day. That's all it takes. 100 squats a day will change your body. Here's exactly what happens and how to do it right. Number 1. Leg strength surge. Most people think squats only work your thighs, but the real target is your entire lower body chain. Squats force your quads, glutes, and hamstrings to fire together. This builds functional strength you use every single day. You'll climb stairs without thinking. You'll stand up from a chair like it's nothing. Here's how to do it. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and push your hips back. Drop until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Push through your heels to stand. Keep your chest up the entire time. Aim for 4 sets of 25 reps. This is how you build real-world leg strength. Number 2. Belly fat burn. Most people chase abs with crunches alone, but the real fat burning comes from big muscle movements. Squats use your biggest muscles, so they torch more calories than isolated moves. Your body works harder just to complete each rep. Do this daily, and you'll notice your waistline tightening within weeks. Here's how to do it. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Squat at a steady, controlled pace. Breathe out as you rise. Rest 30 seconds between rounds. Repeat until you hit 100 total reps. Aim for 100 reps broken into rounds. This is how you burn fat without extra cardio. Number 3. Joint protection. Most people think squats hurt your knees, but it's actually caused by bad form, not the movement itself. Squats done correctly strengthen the muscles around your knees and hips. This shields your joints from daily wear and tear. Master this, and you'll move pain-free for years to come. Here's how to do it. Keep your knees tracking over your toes. Never let your knees cave inward. Distribute weight evenly across both feet. Go only as low as feels controlled. Stand tall at the top of each rep. Aim for 3 sets of 20 reps with strict form. This is how you protect your joints for life. Number 4. Posture correction. Most people slouch all day at a desk, but the real fix isn't stretching. It's strengthening your core and back. Squats demand a tight core and a straight spine to complete properly. This trains your body to hold better posture automatically. Stick with this, and you'll stand taller without even trying. Here's how to do it. Brace your core like someone's about to poke you. Keep your spine in a neutral, straight line. Look straight ahead, not down at the floor. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Hold for 1 second before your next rep. Aim for 3 sets of 15 slow, controlled reps. This is how you fix your posture for good. Number 5. Hormone and energy boost. Most people think more sleep is the only energy fix, but the real cause is low activation in your biggest muscles. Squats trigger a release of growth hormone and testosterone in your body. This directly increases your energy and muscle recovery speed. Do this consistently, and you'll feel more alert throughout your entire day. Here's how to do it. Perform squats first thing in the morning. Move with control, no rushing the reps. Add a 2-second pause at the bottom. Drive up explosively on each rep. Finish with 10 deep breaths to reset. Aim for 2 sets of 20 reps, done fast but controlled. This is how you boost your energy naturally. Do this every single day for 30 days. That's it. Now, if you want to build a stronger core to support every squat, watch this video next. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.